Hi guys, this is Piyush Madaan, faculty at askIITians. I have done my post-graduation from IIT Roorkee and I have been associated with askIITians for last 4 years. Today we will be doing chapter Magnetism and Matter. The word magnetism is come after the name of island of Greece. Okay, what is the reason behind that? The reason is behind that the persons who were working over there were unable to walk on the island because they had nails in their shoes. So this led to the discovery of these magnets. So they simply complain that they are unable to walk because their shoes are being stuck. So this just because of this led to the discovery. So okay, I'm not going into the history of that, but simply just you should know means what was the history, simply brief history. Okay, so now guys, we are supposed to see that what are the different topics we have to cover in this chapter. So guys, magnetism and matter. Now if we start from the introduction, where does this magnet name magnet came? The word magnet is derived from the name of an island in Greece called Magnesia, where magnetic ore deposits were found. Now let's look over the commonly known ideas regarding magnetism. If we check out the first is the earth behaves as a magnet with magnetic field pointing approximately from geographic south to the north. Then after, if we move further, when a bar magnet is freely suspended, it points in the north-south direction. The tip which points to the geographic north is called the north pole, and the tip which points to the geographic south is called the south pole of the magnet. Then after, there is a repulsive force when north pole of or else the south poles of the two magnets are brought close together. Conversely, there is an attractive force between the north pole of one magnet and the south pole of other magnet. Guys, you must have done this thing in your junior classes, that unlike poles attract each other and the like poles repel each other. This is what exactly is the same thing. Next thing is that unlike electric charge, isolated magnetic north or the south poles, which we commonly known as magnetic monopoles, do not exist. That means these monopoles, isolated monopoles, do not exist. This is what exactly is this thing. And next is, it is possible to make magnets out of iron and its alloy. That is, this we have usually observed that the magnet or the somewhat magnetic materials are made up of irons. So guys, here in this part we have reviewed commonly known phenomena or else the ideas in the magnetism. Now it's the time for detailed discussion of these phenomena. So in the upcoming part we will begin with the first part, that is the bar magnet and its properties. So for that part, stay tuned.